Hey everyone, my name is Travis and let's get Wanderlost. If you watched any of our last videos, you know we were trying to find the best Christmas displays in the DFW area. Last week on a very cold evening, we decided to go to the Lightscape display at the Fort Worth Botanic Gardens. This year, Lightscape runs from November 18th until January 8th. Lightscape at the Fort Worth Botanic Gardens is a 1-mile long path with tunnels of lights, a fire garden, singing trees, and other artistic installations. Tickets for Lightscape start at $28 per adult and $18 per child. Prices change based on what day you go and how early you buy. There are also discounts available if you are a member of the Fort Worth Botanic Gardens. Parking also starts at $20 per car. Along the trail they have several stops where they sell snacks and drinks like hot chocolate and wine. They even have a section where you can buy s'mores and make them over a fire. At the end of this video, we'll have our honest review of Lightscape at the Fort Worth Botanic Gardens. little over halfway through the trail, they have their little section with merchandise and more food and drinks. This is also the area where you would be able to eat s'mores over an open fire. This is right before the Japanese garden section of the Botanic Gardens. Now for our honest review of the Lightscape at the Fort Worth Botanic Gardens. Lightscape is an excellent light show, but it is incredibly expensive. We paid $33 per person plus $20 to park. All total, that is $86 for about an hour inside the Botanic Gardens. We did not buy any food or drink, because that would have made it even more expensive. There was some really cool displays, like the Blue Bonnet section, and Nicole really liked the Rose Garden. We would recommend this lights display as a date night or a couple's night. It's more of an adult thing to do, and we're not sure if it has enough things for children to stay interested in. Just be prepared, it is kind of expensive, and you are outside the entire time, so on cold nights you're going to want to bring a jacket, probably a hoodie, and maybe some gloves. You may have noticed our camera was fogging up. Yes, it was that cold. So, overall, Lightscape at the Fort Worth Botanic Gardens was a unique experience and very cool. The price, though, would probably stop us from going back. If you have any questions or other suggestions of places we should go, leave them in the comments section below. And as always, please make sure you remember to like and subscribe.